Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Amazon EC2 auto scaling and elastic load balancing. So let's first is discuss the EC2 auto scaling. So these auto scaling and elastic load balancer, these are widely used services in the AWS. With the EC2 auto scaling, we can increase or decrease the number of EC2 instances based on the traffic. It will automatically add or remove the instances. This will help in reducing the cost and it will make our application highly available. So, like in real time, suppose in Flipkart or in Amazon, in any other e-commerce websites, what happens when the traffic goes high? If there is no auto scaling feature, so what happens with the high traffic application will go down if it is not able to handle the load. With the help of auto scaling, we can avoid these situation. What happens that in the auto scaling, if the traffic goes high, so it will increase the number of EC2 instances. So this will help in making your application available and avoid any downtime in the application so that our sales are going fine. Like during the in any IRCTC websites, during the Tatkal booking, there is a high traffic in the website. So to manage this traffic, we can use the IC2 auto scaling and we can increase the number of instances based on the utilization of CPU or memory. Like when the CPU usage goes above 90%, so it will spin up the new EC2 instances in the auto scaling group. And when there is CPU usage less than 30%, so it will remove the extra instances from the EC2 instance. So we can configure it within using the EC2 auto scaling feature. So this will help in reducing the cost because we are using the instances only in our high usage when there is a high demand of EC2 instances. And if there is no users of our application, so we are removing the instance. So we are reducing the cost. So this will make our application high available as well, and it will be more cost efficient for our business. Within Amazon EC2 auto scaling, you can use two approaches, dynamic scaling or predictive scaling. In the dynamic scaling, what happens? It will work on real time. Where it will see the metric of CPU and memory. And if the CPU usage is going above 80% or 90%, so it will spin up the new instance in the auto scaling group and it will route the traffic in the all EC2 auto scaling group instances. And in the predictive scaling, it will forecast future traffic. It will see how the usage is going, CPU or memory usage are utilized. Then it will predict that you can see like it predicted that around 9 a.m. it will have the high CPU. So before that, it will schedule the increment of instance. It will add new instance before the 9 a.m. Suppose it will increase the instance, it will add more instance at 8:50 a.m. So this will help in predicting the demand of traffic. Then it will add the instances. So this will help in making your application highly available and it will be cost efficient. So both are widely used. Use dynamic scaling and predictive scaling. This will help in ensuring the application availability. Hope you are able to understand. Let's go ahead with the next topic, elastic load balancing. Elastic load balancing in AWS is used to automatically distribute incoming application traffic across multiple resources. It, it can distribute the traffic across multiple resources. It can be to EC2 instances or any other AWS resource. So Elastic Load Balancer will work as a single point of contact. User will access the application through the Elastic Load Balancer. Then elastic load balancer will evenly distribute the traffic to all the healthy instances. So this will ensure there is no single server is overloaded. So when the user sends the request, it will come to Elastic Load Balancer. Then Elastic Load Balancer distributes the traffic to all the healthy EC2 instances. And suppose if one instance is unhealthy, so load balancer will not send the traffic to unhealthy instance until it is healthy. So this is how it works, load balancing. Although load balancing and elastic auto scaling both are separate service, but in the AWS, we work together to help ensure application running can provide high performance and high availability. So let's understand how they work together. Let's understand with this diagram. So what happens, user will access the application from the internet through internet gateway to the AWS. Then here we have front on the front we have the load balancer. So when the request comes through the internet gateway to the application load balancer, so this will distribute the traffic to all the EC2 instances in the auto scaling group. So request will be distributed in a evenly manner to all the instances. And suppose if one instance is unhealthy or down, one instance is down, so request will not be routed to this instance until it is healthy. So this will helps in making our application available and improving the performance of the application. So this is how it works, auto scaling and load balancing together. So elastic load balancer will sit as a front in front of your EC2 instances, and auto scaling adds or removes instances automatically. ELB will automatically updates the routes and will route the traffic to healthy instances. So no user don't notice anything. It will be seamless. There will be no glitch or anything. The user request will always send to the healthy instance. So there will be no downtime for the users. So Amazon EC2 auto scaling automatically adds and removes servers based on the traffic, and elastic load balancer will spread the traffic across all healthy servers or EC2 instances. So this will help our application highly available, scalable and cost effective. So that's all from for my side for today. Thank you all.